Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're going to be installing the Curvy Overseer mod for Helldivers 2, which gives the Overseers a little badonk going on, although it's hard to see in this picture, so I guess we'll have to preview it after I've installed the mod. So, this one I just saw and I thought it was funny. So I figured I'd do a video on how to install it. All you gotta need is this main mod itself, and also the Helldivers 2 mod manager to get the whole thing to work. So we're gonna investigate that today. So let's start, we'll just download this one. And I will put this into my mods folder. I have a mods folder in my Helldivers 2 modding folder called the mods. And then from there, I will go back to the Helldivers 2 mod manager, and I will download it as well. So we'll put this one in its own mod manager folder. It's good to keep these things all nicely contained and organized. All right, so now that those are done downloading, let's pop open the folder that the mod manager is in, and we'll start by getting that set up. So to set up mod manager, I'm just going to extract the zip file to a folder of the same name, and inside of it, at the top here, is the Helldivers 2 mod manager. It's the application one, not the DLL files. Go ahead and double click that and run it. And then this is what the mod manager looks like. Eventually, depending on how many mods you have, it's just a big long list of everything that's installed and all that jazz. So to get it set up, we're going to hit settings, and we're going to tell it where Helldivers is installed, because this can be anywhere on our computer. It doesn't matter. What does matter is telling it where to find the files it needs. So we're going to hit these three dots on the right-hand side, and then this is the search window. To make this easier for ourselves, we're going to open up Steam. We're going to right-click Helldivers 2. We're going to go to Manage and Browse Local Files. This is where Helldivers 2 is. We're going to click the address bar at the top, copy that address, close this window and the Steam window, and then paste this address into the top of the search window, and hit enter. Here is where Helldivers is located. We're going to click select folder, and boom, our setup for the Helldivers mod manager is complete. We can hit OK. Now from here, we just have to add the mod. Click add, go into my downloads folder, and go into the modding, the mods, and click on this one. Now, out of curiosity, when was the last time this thing actually got updated? This was updated recently in March, the 25th of March. So that should be good. I don't think this should crash me. So with that in mind, it's uploaded. It even has a little weird, funny black and white negative photo of an overseer with tits. And we're going to hit deploy. So that's just going to load this file into my Helldivers 2 game so that it's modded, and now I can hit launch in order to start the game. You can use this launch button, or you can use the launch button inside of your Steam. It doesn't matter, it's the same button. Oh yeah, I guess they are a little curvier. They do have a bit more of a chest if you don't shoot their armor off first thing when you see them. Okay, well that's kind of funny. They do kind of have breasts a little bit. So there you have it. I'm not sure if the flying ones do too. Yeah, I think even the flying ones have a little bit more bump in their jump, in their chest and their thighs now with this mod. So anyway, this has been a brief look at how to look at the CurvySeer or CurvySeer, or however you want to think about it. I've been your host, Larry, and I will catch you next time for some more Helldivers related mod nonsense. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen, and have a good one.